In this segment, we're going to show how to take a transformer out of a raw solder laminator. What you're going to need is several Phillips screwdrivers, some wire ties, and a pair of snippers. What we need to do is remove the wire ties to the cables that hold the transformer in place. Remove these so we can get to our wires. Disconnect the wire from the circuit board. Now with our screwdriver, we need to remove the 4 screws that hold the transformer in place. Pull out the transformer. We have one more connector. Squeeze the connector, and now we have the transformer out. Now that we remove the transformer, we're going to take our new transformer and put it into the laminator. Position the holes so we can put the screws back in. Take our screws and our washers, put them in position. Now we need to put our connectors back into the circuit board. Make sure that they latch in and are tight. And finally, we need some wire ties to make everything nice and neat. And now we're ready to reassemble the laminator.